All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says solve for x. Okay, pretty straightforward instructions. So we have 21x minus 8x minus 3 equals 4. All right. Well, step one, we want to combine all the like terms we can on either side of the equal sign. So coming here, I have 21x and I have minus 8x. So those guys are going to go together first. So I got a positive 21 and I take away 8. So if you have 21 and you take away 8, what's that give you? 13? Oh, I'm not sure. Why not just bust out your calculator and not make a silly mistake? Let's see here. I got 21 minus 8. It is 13. Hey, if you got it, use it, right? Here we go. So I have 13x minus 3 is 4. Cool. Okay, the next step is we want to, now that we have combined everything that can be combined on either side, we want to start moving stuff away from the x because we want to get this x all by itself. That's our goal, to isolate x all by itself. So step one, we want to get rid of this negative 3. So the opposite of negative 3 is plus 3. So we just actually add 3 to both sides. Minus 3 plus 3, that becomes a 0. Those go away. So now I have 13x equals 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, we're getting very close now. And so we have 13x equals 7. Well, I want to get this x all by itself. So this x needs to be all by itself, but it can't be alone right now because it's being multiplied by 13. Well, the opposite of multiplying by 13 is dividing by 13. So I just divide both sides by 13. 13 divided by 13 is 1. So that's gone. And so now you can actually see your answer. Your answer is x is 7 over 13. That fraction cannot be simplified any further, so you are done. Good job. That was good math. All right. Don't forget to subscribe below so you can be notified when I make more practice problems just for you. And if there's something you want to see, leave a comment below and I'll try to make a practice problem for you. All right. Thanks. Bye.